most people think of a Penn education, they think of the academic rigor, the world-class faculty and the facilities, and all these things are true. But there are also a wealth of support services that really wrap around the student. The Penn Libraries is one of those services that helps to make the experience at Penn unique. Dog Days is one of the ways we at the Penn Libraries really try to celebrate and honor students. We're at a particularly stressful time of year in which students are preparing for exams, they're finishing up their final projects, they're graduating. And what we want them to do is take a moment, break away from their studies, enjoy some refreshments, meet with their friends, pet some dogs, and really kind of refocus and recenter their perspective before they go back to hit the books.
I'm a dog person. I love dogs. I want to meet all the dogs all the time. And so when there's a lot of stress around and I'm feeling stressed out, I realized one thing that helped me was to look at pictures of dogs. So it was something that was an idea that I'd been encouraged by various people at the libraries. And so it all came together partly because there are a lot of people at the libraries who worked on planning. We talked to people at other academic libraries, including at Temple, who'd done this kind of programming and got advice. And then we worked also with various partners on campus.
This is Dexter. He's almost 3 years old. He's a Cavachon. He's a Cavalier Bichon mix. But the therapy dogs can be any breed of dog. They just have to be at least a year old. They have to have basic obedience training, and then they have to get certified through Therapy Dogs International or another similar group.
So this is our first time with Dog Days, and I'm actually so glad that we came.
We love it. We're very much
We're
dog
planning
fans.
to get a dog our junior year of college, so yeah, that's how much we love dogs in general.
It's a really good stress reliever, and we're all very happy right now.
Yeah. This is the most I've smiled in a long time.
Some of the dogs came with minor disabilities, which I think is nice because we all feel like we have stresses or impediments right now, and having beautiful dogs that, despite whatever's going on with a foot, are still incredible is very meaningful, I think.
I think it's great that the library is now making this a spot where students are coming here to focus and concentrate, but there's also a lot of stress associated with studies. And I think having events like this in the library, like with these dogs, really gives you an outlet, even for 10-15 minutes, to take a break, interact with this cute little animal, and then go back to your studies kind of feeling refreshed.
So it's been a huge response. I mean, I still remember the first day we did this, because this had been something that had sort of been in my head, and then we were planning it. And so the first day we start, there are dogs in the room, there's students who come, and so it's just like this immediate burst of happiness.
It's also really rewarding for us. We got into this field because we really enjoy working with students and faculty. We like to advance the academic mission of the university, and when we have this direct connection with the students, it really reminds us of the value of our work.